Clients often ask, how long will it take to install my driveway? This is a great question that we get asked all the time. We tell our clients that we will take as long as we need to make the job correct, but I'll explain to you what a typical time frame looks like. On the first day, our prep crew will arrive to take out and grade your existing driveway, which will take 2 to 3 days. Once the driveway is prepped, the installation crew will arrive. You can expect them to be on site for an average of 2 to 3 days. Again, this depends on the size and scope of your project. After the installation crew finishes, they are followed up by our cleanup crew. Cleanup usually takes between 1 to 2 days. So in total, we like to tell our clients that the average driveway project will take approximately 5 to 7 working days.